Dear friends, good morning. Welcome to another video. In this video, we would like to share a few thoughts on the theme selfishness. Selfishness is both a mindset and a behavior wherein you focus on your own needs, desires, and interests, having no thought of how you affect those around you. Selfishness is different from self care. Self care is about maintaining your well being without harming and disregarding others, which includes setting boundaries, prioritizing mental and physical health, and taking time to recharge so that you can be your authentic self for yourself and those around you. On the other hand, selfishness involves making yourself the priority at others' expense, which includes refusing to help, ignoring others' needs, having no empathy and respect for others, and making choices that would adversely affect people around you. Selfishness can have significant consequences that affect your life and relationships, besides negatively impacting social, national, and international relations. Persistent self interest and putting yourself first can bring about strained friendships, broken family relationships, and self isolation, as generally people drift away from self centered person. Similarly, as a selfish person, you limit your own personal growth by failing to collaborate and experience deeper connections and learn from others. Likewise, selfishness often disturbs peace and harmony in workplaces, communities, families, and even between nations, as it breeds resentment and conflict. Besides, though a selfish person may think that being selfish leads to personal gain, in the long run, it can lead to loneliness, dissatisfaction, and even guilt. Thus, when selfishness dominates the relationships among people, even a small issue would become a big fight. A personal problem is communalized, and each person sees the other as his enemy. As a matter of fact, any conflict, whether in the personal, familial, communal, societal, national, and international levels, can be traced back to the underlying self interest and self centered thinking. Hence, there is the urgent need to let go selfishness at all levels so as to build harmonious relationships, thereby establish a better world for all. Thank you for watching this video. May God bless you.